Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will share with you how to prepare this delicious wrap meal infused with vegetables. It is so nutritious and healthy, and I'm certain you will love it. Here are the list of some of the ingredients. The others you will see as we progress into the video. We have scotch bonnet pepper, we have potato and carrot, onion, ginger, and wrap. If you're new here, my name is Victoria. If you love healthy food, subscribe to my channel, turn on your bell notification so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. To my beloved subscribers, thank you so much for your continuous support. Thank you for sharing, liking, commenting on my videos. Those comments really motivates me to create more content. God bless you all. So guys, as you've seen what I've done here, I've just added olive oil in a hot pan. I added onion, ginger and scotch bonnet pepper, and then I went ahead to add the chicken and then the seasonings. You can always use any seasoning and spices of your choice. So once I've added all this, I'll mix properly and allow it to cook like about 10 minutes or so before adding the potato and the carrots. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this properly and then add a little bit of water, cover it up and cook at least 10 minutes more to allow the veggies to be soft and tender. So while that is cooking, I'll go ahead to prepare our mayonnaise alternative. So here we have avocado and lemon. Now I'll slice the avocado in two, scoop the meat into the blender, squeeze the lemon juice into the blender, and then add 1 spoon of oil into the blender and blend to paste. The sauce is all blended and in the right consistency. This is perfect if you're looking for mayonnaise alternative. It is so delicious and interestingly healthy. Now I'll go ahead and prepare our salad. Here we have sweet cabbage. I'm gonna cut this in two and then slice it as little as possible. Here we have cucumber. I'll peel the back off and slice it as little as possible as well. So let's check on how our wrap fillings are getting on. At this point it is done. It is soft and tender. Here I'm just going to add a little bit of flour to thicken it up and to just bring all this together. Finally, it is the time to put everything that we'll be working on together. Here I'm just adding and spreading the mayonnaise alternative, and I'll add veggies and meat fillings, okay? And then wrap everything together. If you watched up till now, I'm truly grateful. Thank you so much. So I'm just trying here to wrap it as tight as possible. Okay, I'm still learning on how to wrap it, but I believe it came out beautiful. So friends, this is the final look. It is looking so delicious. Everyone in the family enjoyed it, especially my kids. So thank you so much for watching up till now. I really do appreciate. God bless you all. And with that, I will see you all in my next one. Stay blessed and look after yourself. Bye.